If you are wondering if Google Health is supported on the Xiaomi Watch 5, then the answer is unfortunately no. And instead, you can use the Google Fit app, which is available. You can go to the Play Store on your smartwatch and you can install it. You can, of course, do the same thing on your smartphone. And you should also be able to install on your Xiaomi Watch 5 as well, if you decide to do this on both your smartphone and your smartwatch straight away. But in the case of the Health app, let me actually search for the Health app. There we go. If we try to install it on other devices, as you can see, the smartwatch does not show up. Over here, we can technically switch to the watch in order to get all of these different opinions and reviews. But it seems that the app is actually not available on the smartwatch. So it seems that the Health app is actually available only on other smartphones. I believe Google smartwatches are one of them, but unfortunately Xiaomi Watch 5 is not. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.